A boat takes 19 hours for traveling downstream from point A to point B and coming back to point C midway between A and B. If the velocity of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour and the speed of the boat in still water is 14 kilometers per hour, what is the distance between A and B? Now, in boats and streams, the basic assumption is we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water, B as the speed of the water body. So the upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now, if we read this question, we are given the speed of the boat in still water is 14 kilometers per hour. That means A is equal to 14. Velocity of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour. Stream is nothing but the water body. So therefore, we have B is equal to 4. So the upstream speed will be 14 minus 4, that is 10. And the downstream speed will be 14 plus 4, that is 18. Now, let's read the first part of the sentence, the question. A boat takes 19 hours for traveling downstream from point A to point B and coming back to point C midway between A and B. So it is something like this. Point A is here, point B is here. This is downstream. So the boat is first of all going downstream from A to B and coming back until point C, which is the midpoint of AB. Now, obviously, while going it is downstream, so while returning, that is from B to C, it will be upstream. Now, we have to find out the distance between A and B. Let's assume the total distance to be D. So, therefore, AC becomes D by 2 and CB also becomes D by 2. Now, the general formula for time is distance upon speed. Here we are given that the boat takes total of 19 hours. It is first traveling from A to B. So time of AB plus time of coming from B to C. This is in total 19 hours. Now AB is downstream. We have assumed AB as distance D. So therefore, let's have the equation here. D upon downstream speed, that is 18 plus time of BC travel. Now the BC distance is D by 2 divided by upstream speed, that is 10. So D by 2 upon 10. This is equal to 19. Now let's bring this 2 in the denominator. So therefore it becomes 20. So we'll take the LCM of 18 and 20. That is 160 or 180. So we multiply this by 10. So this becomes 10D. We multiply 20 by 9 to get 120. So this becomes 9D. So 10D plus 9D, we get 19D upon 180 is equal to 19. So solving this, we get the value as D is equal to 180 kilometers. And that's what is asked, the distance between A and B. So the answer is option B.